Hello, Mario! I don't know about you, but I'm pretty much had enough of elevations, and I think I've pretty much given you all the skills that you need to move forward with this. So what I've done is I've actually, in the space between the videos, I've completed the elevations, and I'm just going to go through a few little salient points on those, and then move us ahead, hopefully. So, yep. All go. Let's put that into action. So it's on floor plans actually. So yes, we'll go back to model space. So here we are in model space. I've created a brick hatch, a sort of weatherboard hatch, and a corrugated iron hatch here. So this is sort of your roof hatch there, and they've got layers, and that's the weatherboard. I've stuck with the colouring for the windows and tried to call them all the same same layers as before. There's a little few overlays of lines and things there that are probably causing some problems, and then I've also taken all these projection lines there. In some cases I've deleted them, and in some I've put them in the trash layer. So what I'm going to do now, because obviously clearly we don't want those, and we'll get back to standard there. So I'm going to turn off the trash layer there, like so. Turn that off, and you'll see that's all my projection lines, and that's leaving my my two elevations that I'm going to do there. I've taken the liberty of putting in the labelling them up as per the plans, put the downpipes in there. I've just made those roughly, I think I'll do a measure, just do a measure there. I think I've made them 300 from the corner, I think. Yeah, 300 from the corner. I've put them as a 90mm wide, which sort of standard sort of thing for those. Now these here, that should be red. I think there is a red line there. I've just got two lines, and I just need to draw order, bring to the front, and that'll should make them all red. If not, you know, as time goes on, I might just put that line and put that into the layer windows, because I know that's my red layer. So there's a few little bits of tidying up that can be done over the course of time. However, we'll you know, see how that goes. It looks like I've got double lines there. So these are little things that you perhaps should tidy up as you go along, just to get things nice and orderly. Okay, so put that into layer windows. I think it's sort of 6 of one, half a dozen the other. I've just okay. So that's sort of put them all looking good and looking good there. Okay, let's not look too closely. That top line, I've got that as red. Yeah, that'll do. Okay, probably should be elevations there. All right, so that's them there. Got the little bit about the downpipes. This rail for the door here, that should be trimmed out actually, because that would go in there. So just TR into enter, see if I can get that. Oh, Control Z. TR into enter. Something a bit odd going on there. Nope. TR. Oh, that's that one done. Oh, that one there is done. I'll just copy this one here. Should be the same. Just copy that over there, and oops. Yeah, oh, I see what's happened in that there. I'm just going to drag that down to there. So that's sort of tidied that all up. That rail for the door there, obviously I do a 50mm sort of frame there, and well, let's just do a quick measure. I think I've put it possibly 750 up from the bottom. Oh, 794, 800, something like that. 750, 800. You could go and measure up a door, of course, and see what you find, but that's always good. So that's all sorted there. Just the spouting here, which determines this line here. So what I went there is went to the Marley ad. So you know, flick out of here into here, into Google, Marley spouting, Marley spouting drawing, and CAD details for Marley. So most manufacturers have these. I think down here I went to the classic profile and I downloaded that. Classic profile, downloaded that, put that in my working folder. So I then went to my working folder. Just went here because it was a DWG file. So file, open, and here it is. Here, the Marley Classic profile. Opened that, and what I found was that it was like that. But if I went up to the layers and I closed out that one and that one, I was able to make a copy of this. Clipboard copy, like so, and then I went to my where I was here, pasted it in here, clipboard paste, and I converted that to a block, and then I had a block to insert here, and I just inserted it as a block. So I can just now, I've got it there, classic spouting, insert, and we scroll down because it was the last one, last cab off the rank, I suspect. There it is there, and put it in there like that. There it is there, and I just suspect something here. I just want to check out. So if I go to here, I can just yep, okay. Just having a look at that there, I can see that its colour is white. I will change that colour to by layer, so that it will assume the colour of whatever layer it goes into rather than it being white. And I'll close the block editor and save the changes. Yeah, so that means whatever layer I put it into, say for instance I've got it there in the elevations layer. If I put it into the roof lines layer, it'll be there. If I plan, so it'll take on whatever layer it goes into. Unfortunately, in this case here, the elevations layer is a white layer. Okay, so no problems. All good. So that got our spouting in there. Got the door thing there, got the hatches all in, and that's the spouting line there and the roof there. So put in the typing or the leader, just the that's the leader there. Make sure you use annotative text. If you go to annotate here, and these are your leaders here, if you click on here, that gives you, again, it's just like to set up a leader style, and it's modify, and that's the leader there, probably not the one I've chosen actually. The leader I've chosen, close, this leader here is the straight, looks like the leader type. I don't know whether it's multi-leader. No, oh, that's sometimes down the bottom here. Exactly which one it is, leader style, not quite coming to mind here. Dot small, so I've maybe changed it around there, but you can see that you can get it to the dot and what have you. So yep, that's all pretty good. Coming up for my 10 minutes, so I'm not going to quite get what I want done. So that's the elevation all good and ready. So I'll stop this video there, and for the next video what we're going to do is set up in the just going to set up the next this is actually, I have done it already, set up the next sheet. So yeah, we'll talk about that in the next video, I think, and get that all set up. So cheers. Yeah, that sort of elevation's finished there for now, and cheers. See you.